Now, if your Wix background or Wix video background is not playing on mobile, well, there are a few things that we need to do here. Now, we all know that integrating a video here can be kind of complicated. At times, it might not play immediately. There's a few adjustments here, and you've just recently used or started using Wix here to design your website. Well, in order for you to make sure that your videos or video background plays in mobile, well, you need to edit the mobile version of your site. So to do that, at the top left, you should see two buttons here. You have the desktop and you have the mobile. Let's go and choose mobile. Now in mobile here, you want to go and select your video. So you currently have. So this is my video. Let's go and click on the background option that you see that actually pops up. And in here, what's really important is going to be the option here that says play video on mobile. You need to make sure that you enable this. Now, if you don't enable this, the video will not play. So that's the thing, or that's the thing with videos here in Canva. With Wix here is basically it tries to reserve as much memory and speeds up your website as much as they can. So once you have this enabled, let's go and click on preview at the top right. You should now see your video now playing. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.